In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of HubSpot's AI tools to streamline your marketing, sales, and service tasks. As businesses increasingly turn to AI for efficiency, HubSpot offers a suite of tools designed to make your workflows more productive and effective. Let's dive into how you can get started and make the most of these features. The journey begins with enabling AI settings within your HubSpot account. Start by navigating to your account and clicking on the settings icon. Once there, head over to Account Management and select AI. This is where you'll unlock the potential of generative AI tools. In the Access tab, toggle on the Give Users Access to Generative AI Tools and Features switch. For those who want a more tailored experience, it's a good idea to enable CRM data access, which helps create personalized outputs in line with your business needs. Once you've set up these essential AI settings, it's time to explore the robust features HubSpot has to offer. First up, we have content creation. Within the email editor, you can use the AI Content Assistant to refine your content. Whether you're looking to rewrite, expand, or shorten text, or even change its tone, this tool can handle it all. For a quick way to add paragraphs or headings, use the / command to generate content seamlessly. Next, let's explore report generation. HubSpot's AI report generator can create insightful reports based on prompts you provide. Make sure to give clear descriptions, including any specific objects and timeframes you need to achieve the best results. With precise inputs, this tool can deliver valuable data insights that drive your strategies. For those handling customer interactions, conversation analysis is a game changer. By accessing the AI assistants in your conversations inbox, you can enhance your responses to customer inquiries with ease. Use the / command or artificial intelligence icon to discover highlight commands that can refine your approach. Don't miss out on Breeze AI, especially Breeze Copilot, which is excellent for generating content and offering tools for tasks like data enrichment and buyer intent analysis. It's all about making your marketing and sales strategies smarter and more targeted. For sales professional and sales enterprise users, the AI Meeting Note Taker is particularly beneficial. This tool joins your scheduled HubSpot meetings automatically, providing transcriptions and AI-powered features like recommended next steps and summaries. It ensures you never miss an important detail. HubSpot also offers the AI Search Grader, which evaluates your brand's performance in AI search tools. By analyzing your brand's visibility in search results, you can identify growth opportunities and boost your presence. To effectively use these AI tools, keep a few tips in mind. Maintain your brand's voice to ensure AI-generated content aligns with your style. Always verify the accuracy of AI outputs and use them as an enhancement rather than a replacement for human input. Consider language limitations and provide clear, detailed prompts to get the best results. Finally, take advantage of HubSpot's documentation and resources to fully leverage these tools. By embracing these AI tools, you can transform your business tasks, making them more efficient and impactful. So, take the leap and see how HubSpot can elevate your business today.